Missing heaps of snow and grandma's cherry pie.
Well, let me tell you something. The entire song that you just heard earlier is entirely generated by AI. Yes, you can now go ahead and generate or create your own song with just a single click of a button. You just have to go ahead and type out your prompt, the genre of your music, and that should be it. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about Suno AI. How to make music using Suno AI Chirp. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first of all, let's go ahead and head to their browser and you will be presented with this white page. As you can see, you can go ahead and make a song about the moon. You can go ahead and make a song for your mom. Basically, it's everything right here. And you could go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find this tab where it says makes a song with Suno. Just go ahead and scroll all the way down and you will find this thing right here, their abouts and their theme. And to create your own music, you want to go ahead and click on make a music, and it will take us over to their app right here. As you can see, you will be presented with the trending page. You could go ahead and listen to any of these musics right here, but first let me go ahead and tell you the UI. First of all, you have your explore, which is the trending page. You have your create, and you also have your library. You could go ahead and click your library to browse your recent creation. And these are my creations right here. I have a couple of them now. And for the second tab, you have your create. Of course, if you want to go ahead and create music, you will go right through here. And lastly, you have your explore, which is the trending page once more. But before we head over to the tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and play a few songs right here, just an example.
Hey, was geht ab? Hier ist mein Statement.
To create our very own song, we want to go ahead and click on the button right here, create, just in the middle of explore and library. And just go ahead and click on it and it will take you to this page. And this is my recent history of my creation right here. We could just go ahead and enter our song description right here. If you want a song about something like cars, you could just go ahead and put it inside this text box. But in this tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and make a song about New Year. So with this very simple prompt right here, we have managed to create two different songs. I'm just gonna go ahead and play it out for you guys.
Wow, the year is brand new. Counting down the final seconds till the new year rings. Fireworks explode and the melody starts to sing. Clinking glasses, laughter fills the air. A toast to the past.
As you can see, within less than a minute, we have managed to create our very own song. Of course, we could still go ahead and make a few adjustments when we are creating our song. In order to do that, just go ahead and enable this option right here, custom mode, and you will see the additional settings that we could go ahead and adjust. First things first, we could go ahead and import our very own lyrics. You could go ahead and write this your own, or you could just go ahead and use some AI tools like ChatGPT to generate your very own lyrics. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on make random lyrics right here. And for the style of music, of course, you could go ahead and pick any. As you can see right here, we could go ahead and review the lyrics. We have our verse 1 and we also have our chorus. You could also go ahead and adjust your title here, but once you're ready to go, just go ahead and click on create.
I woke up this morning with a smile on my face. The birds were singing, the clouds were erased. I stepped outside and felt the sun on my skin. I woke up this morning with a smile on my face. The birds were singing, the clouds were erased. I stepped outside and felt the sun.
And I've already made it easier for you guys, and as I read Suno AI documentation, as we can go ahead and see right here, use new lines in your prompt, put each line of your song on its own line, and add an extra blank line between the verse, chorus, etc. As we can see right here, this is the pre-chorus and this is the chorus. Secondly, we have the punctuation. Remove punctuation from end of each line for best results. You can keep commas in the end of lines, but we recommend moving commas and period from the end of each line. What we want to do is we want to go ahead and ask ChatGPT to remove those punctuation at the end of each line. And we should also go ahead and change the symbols. So this is the complete prompt right here. Remove the punctuation at the end of each line and change the symbol from this one to this one. I'm gonna go ahead and click on send message, and ChatGPT will provide us with the new lyrics. After we have managed to adjust everything inside the lyrics right here, just go ahead and copy the verse 1 and the pre-chorus. Just go ahead and take it slowly, and we could go ahead and continue after we created the first part of the music. So just go ahead and copy this and paste it inside your lyrics right here, and of course just go ahead and input the style of your music. After all of that, just go ahead and click on create, and we should be able to create our very own song using our very own lyrics.
Of the night, where the tears begin to fall. The shadows of the night, where the tears began to fall. A broken heart, shattered dream.
And if you like something from these presets, just go ahead and click on the three buttons once more. Go ahead and click on continue from this clip. Go ahead and go back to your lyrics, and just go ahead and copy the rest of the lyrics. So as I reviewed Suno AI, as you can see that there's multiple language supported by this AI. But that's not it. Of course, you could also go ahead and make your instrumental music by typing it inside the song description. So for example, if I go ahead and type a simple prompt like this one, lo-fi beats instrumental, and I'm not very expert when it comes to music terms, I have this very simple prompt right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on create, and let's see what it came up with.
City sleeps, I find solace in the rhythm and the melody so fine.
Soft melodies drift through the air. Subtle beats like a gentle caress. Lay by it.
So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.